Hi family, thank you so much for coming back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an extreme hair growth oil that you can apply to your hair twice a week. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. The major ingredient I'll be needing for this growth oil is onion. You can use any kind of onion of your choice, but in this video, I'll be using the red onion. So after peeling the back of the onion, I'm just going to go ahead to wash it up in order to get rid of the dirt, and I'm just going to chop that up into smaller pieces. Alright family, let's talk about some really great benefits why anyone would ever want to put onion in their hair in the first place. First of all, onions are filled with many great health benefits, but for this video purpose, we are going to talk solely about the benefit that it has for hair. Onion has this great property called sulfur. Sulfur is important and great for your hair because not only does it improve hair growth, it also increases the elasticity and strength of your hair, ultimately leading to healthier hair. In order to avoid the presence of water in my oil, I went ahead to dry my bowl, and the next ingredient I'll be needing is the extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is high in antioxidant content and it helps maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair from cell damage, nourishes and conditions the hair. The massage improves the circulation of the blood in the scalp, and it also nourishes the hair follicles as well. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is half cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair. It adds shine to the hair. It adds softness to the hair. It prevents hair breakage and split ends. It stimulates hair growth. The next thing I want to do is to put the oil on medium to low heat for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm just going to go on ahead to add my onion straight into the hot oil, and I'm going to use my spoon to stir this oil a number of times. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using onion oil on your hair. Using onion oil on your hair is going to help prevent breakage and thinning. It fights bacterial infections. It's also going to improve your hair texture. It delays premature graying, and it also maintains the pH level of the scalp. After leaving my onion on medium to low heat, this is how my onion looks like after 30 minutes, and I'm going to be taking that off the heat and leaving it for about 30 minutes to cool down. So after 30 minutes, this is how my oil looks like. I'm going to be working with a completely dry bowl with some sort of sieve and strainer, and I'm just going to transfer the oil straight into my bowl. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, my oil has drained down into my bowl, but then that's not all. Some oils are still trapped in your onion shreds, so you want to transfer that into like your wig cap and then squeeze that out easily. You see there's a lot of oil trapped in, so don't dispose your onion immediately. Try and squeeze out the rest oil. So this is how my onion looks like. I'm going to be putting this aside so that the rest of the oil can drain. I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of castor oil because of the great benefit castor oil has. Next off, I'm going to be adding a few drops of my peppermint oil, and I feel like, yeah, my oil is ready, and I'm just going to transfer that into a jar, and from the jar into my applicator bottle. And now it's time to apply this to our hair. So this is how my hair has been for a while now. I've been going to work and coming back like this, but my growth has been incredible. Check out my last video for the best deep conditioning treatment. Trust me, that deep conditioning treatment made my hair really nice. It made my hair fuller and thicker. Now let's jump into our onion oil. So I'll be applying my onion oil from my roots to my end. Trust me, the onion oil doesn't smell so bad. After applying it to my scalp, I'm just going to go ahead to apply it to the rest of my hair and make sure to squeeze it in so that the oil penetrates into my hair shaft. I'm also going to focus on the ends of my hair because the ends of your hair are the weakest part of your hair, so you want to apply this oil to the ends of your hair. After applying this oil from the roots of my hair down to the ends of my hair, I'm just going to go ahead to twist that section back up and work with other sections of my hair. One major thing that shouldn't be left out in this whole process is the massaging. Make sure you massage the oil to penetrate into your hair shafts and also into your scalp. This is not only going to encourage blood circulation around your scalp, it's also going to stimulate your hair growth. So never ever forget to massage this oil into your hair, into your scalp, and even into the ends of your hair for a better and more visible result. So in order not to keep us here for too long, I might just be doing some kind of magic and yeah. So I'm done. This is how my hair looks like after applying the oil to all the sections of my hair. Now, the next thing I want to do is to massage this oil into my scalp, and I'm going to be making use of either my fingers or my massaging brush. Let's talk about the benefits of massaging your hair. Scalp massages increases hair thickness. It also promotes hair growth. It enhances blood circulation, strengthens the roots of the hair, and also spreads the natural oil of the hair. So we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly watch more and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.